Good morning, guys. So, this is me at the village. This is typical village life. So, as you can see, here is where we are staying, and here is where we used to keep the goat, but now we change them in the other room. Let me check because of the here, as you can see here, the goats they are there. They are staying there. It's still early in the morning. So, this is our house where we are staying. Yeah, this is so as we are preparing for the day to go for cultivating at the field around the house. Also, we plant maize meal and potato, a lot of things. As you can see here, some of this thing is germinating. There's groundnuts, and so as you can see, still early in the morning. Yes. So here we come now at the field. We plow a bit. So this is some other food that we used to eat at the village. We call it kamungamba in Timbuktu. So here I'm trying to clean and to put the thorns together so that we can bend them. As you can see, there's no one who can hold the camera for me. Here, that one is me cleaning. Trying to clean. Later on, then I'll bend them. Trying to clean. Put them together before we plow. Because if you can plow like this, it won't look good. Yeah. So keeping busy myself. But now the camera, you can't see well. So later on, my thing that I was using, we call it, how I call it this one. Thishao in Timbuktu, but in Giriku we say what? Pana. So my thing get broke, as you can see, because I was making very hard. Now it's too short. It's too short. Yeah. And this tree is not strong enough. This is the other handle that get broke. It's broken. It was like this. Now throw it. Maybe we'll look for another one, but now as the sun is going, so I have to just continue working. Maybe other day we'll try to cut another one. Yeah. So this is typical village life, guys. As you can see here, you have to work very busy day. So I need to move, and then I have to change the camera. This is the thing that I'm using. We call it pan, just to rake the thorn and every rubbish. This one, you can see, those are the thing that I'm preparing to put them together. Later, then I'll put the fire. These ones, and I made 3, but as you can see,
Very busy today.
those ones,
Those things.
the other one there. So at least it's not that much. And the other side there, we plowed already. And we are waiting if we are done with this side. So after putting them together, then we put fire. That is my mom. putting the fire. As you can see it here, but it's too hot, and also there's fire, so it's waiting. Almost finished burning. I'm feeling hunger already. And this is the what? I don't know how to call this, but it's having nice color. So I'm just trying to show what it's trying to eat. It's a grasshopper, but this one is the big one. I don't know how to call this.